welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is a lovely recipe. Today I'm gonna show you absolutely delicious recipe of chicken pakora. So let's get started and check out the recipe. These are the ingredients I'm using for making chicken pakora. 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1 bowl besan, 1 bowl maida, 3 tablespoons Kashmiri Laal Mirch, 1 tablespoon Laal Mirch, normal Laal Mirch, then 1 tablespoon Coriander Powder, Dhania Powder, 1 tablespoon Jeera Powder, ginger garlic paste, then salt as per taste, then 1 egg, chicken 250 gram. Now we'll start the preparation. At first I'm adding the salt, then besan, then maida, then corn flour, mix it well. Now I'll add the ginger garlic paste. Then I will add the Laal Mirch. Then the coriander powder, Jeera powder, Kashmiri Laal Mirch, add this egg, mix it well. I will mix little water. Mix it well. Marinate it for 5 to 10 minutes. Heat up a pan and add the oil. I'm using mustard oil instead of refined oil. Add the chicken pieces into the oil and deep fry them until they turn into golden red color. Fry them in medium flame. Keep stirring the chicken pieces up and down while frying. I have already fried the chicken for 15 minutes. My chicken pakoras are ready. So I will remove the chicken pieces from the oil. Now we'll sprinkle some chaat masala over it. And your chicken pakora is ready. Serve them with chili chutney or tomato sauce.